It's a really enlightening experience for pupils. It's not just about the cooking, it's everything that encompasses the cooking. With the 20 pupils that we've brought to Chinatown today, I think at least half of them haven't been to Chinatown before. We're going to look at some of the restaurants and go into the Chinese supermarket and look at some of the ingredients that we'll possibly be using in a few weeks' time in our Chinese cookery.
I think that Lee Kum Kee and Ming Ai are doing an amazing job through helping pupils learn about Chinese culture through food.
Some of the dishes the pupils have manufactured over the last few years are steamed and pan-fried dumplings, beef in broccoli, gung pao chicken.
We learned that there are a lot of Chinese food and there are a lot of sauces like oyster sauce and oyster sauce.
The project's sponsored by Lee Kum Kee and they were the company or the organisation that created oyster sauce. So the oyster sauce is fundamental to Chinese cooking. They're also one of the world's biggest manufacturers of soy sauce.
Chinese Fun Health ambassadors have shown us it's actually much cheaper to use the Lee Kum Kee sauces. The
products I think are the best products there are on the market. They're authentic. If you look at the ingredients, they're proper ingredients. So we're working with the best.
I went to Hong Kong this past summer with Lee Kum Kee as well, so I learned a lot about the company and their history. In terms of food culture, we were able to sample a vast range of different cuisine from Szechuan right the way through to Cantonese.
So all of the recipes that we've worked with Ming Ai and Lee Kum Kee on are very, very health orientated recipes. And Chinese food is an excellent vehicle for healthy eating. One of the noodles dishes that we do has 7 different types of vegetables in it. Looks amazing, tastes amazing.
With the stir fry, we can put in it's all about the vegetables, not the chicken, and how it's a very healthy country.
It was really good.
They really liked how friendly the people were who came to do the workshop, and they sort of ask maybe once or twice a week now, when are we cooking Chinese?
They've loved it because I've loved it, and the fact that I've had hands-on experience out in Hong Kong, it has made the teaching of it vastly easier and a lot more fun.
Because I've been involved for 3 years now, so I have now put it into the curriculum.
It has cross-curricular links with things like geography and history, lots of things about Chinese history and the regions of China where the different foods come from and how they influence the Chinese cuisine.
So one of the most exciting things I think that's happened since we've been involved with the Fun Chinese Ambassadors is the fact that we have 4 pupils who are all really keen to go into the catering industry. One year 11 pupil that is specialising in Chinese New Year. So they're cooking 3 dishes in 3 hours for a family celebration focused around Chinese New Year. She's going to be using some of the skills, experiences she's learned when we were able to go to Bounds Green and cook in the kitchen at the Ming Ai Institute. So it's made them try vegetables, it's made them quite excited because most of them only ever buy a Chinese takeaway.
It wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.
Really flavoursome, and I like the colour and I like how the chicken tastes.
I haven't cooked Chinese food before.
I ordered it instead.
But it was really fun and I think I will from now on.